man, yeah, but. Janor, respect. So I want you.
Boy, I know the one Mildred again.
You have to beat her up again.
I never beat her up again.
Man a bad man.
Nigga, you don't know what took place a while ago, man.
Man a...
Hey, Villa.
Yo.
Me say, why time... Look at me, eh?
Man a bad man.
Hey, you see me go some hole and lick and I got so.
Yeah.
And her hand come up and lick me, you know. And she run off.
Yeah.
And me go some jab back and just go some boop and lick her mouth, you know. But me just wait and start getting pay lick, you know.
Man a bad man.
Hear me, digger.
Yeah.
Hear me diggle. Trevor, I only man, for every time I beating girl, which you're not supposed to do, he lick himself. As you can see, it's a bad boy Trevor video. And in honor of bad boy Trevor, I was gonna have a Shirley, but I decided to have Maria tonight. If you know, you know. If you don't get the joke, well, me hope you at least get the ones that will be watching. Let's jump into it.
Pastor rent in place and we don't know.
Hey, Pastor. It's where you coming from this early time of morning, boy. You lost your key. Hey.
Yes.
Oh my God.
Pastor. Is where you coming from this early hours of the morning, boy, you lost your key. Answer. Answer the pastor.
Where you coming from? To him wife, not to you. Where you come from? Where really you come from? We said chat up where you come from. We said where you come from. Then chat now where you come from. I don't think you prefer to tell where you come from. Tell me where you come from. I'm going to tell where you come from. Where you are? Hey, you think you tell me where you come from? Well, tell me where you come from. Because I lost the key and just that. But wait, I never seen a shutter before.
I'll show you. When I come from church, I'm going to hold up, you see. I'm going to church.
You know something? I don't believe
what you mean,
word what you say.
What you mean?
I don't believe you.
Listen. Hey.
This is the like print out my face.
Babe. Hey, Chaffee, you know. You provoke me, you know. You provoke the spirit, you know. You're provoking the spirit. I feel like preaching. You know, I said, Ashantalamakunte. Beef in a market, soup in a bone. Dirty nigga, let people business alone. Yeah, some young girl, like take man money, I don't give them nothing. Yeah, some young girl, I take all pastor money, but I said, the good book says, he that keepeth his mouth, keepeth his life. Ashantamakuntela. I tell you something.
You know he's a wicked old man. He's a very wicked man, eh? Why all the while you choose to preach, eh? You dash word for me.
Yeah, that's what I
eh? When we didn't young, you pay down for me. Me I take money from you, eh?
Yeah,
you can't pray without dash word.
Well, me preach.
But I don't believe a word you say, man.
It is always say you don't believe me. Why you don't believe me? Why you can't believe me?
It's like print out.
Pastor, I believe you. Kind of fast with me. Hey.
It's not she's enough with you. Me notice from one day and she up sin and walking.
Pastor, what are we about weeping and wailing and fasting and gnashing of tongue?
You see this? Because you're careless, dirty living. You make all kind of dog and flea take liberty.
Hi, I'm a pastor.
Eh?
You hear me say? I
never like one.
How you mean? Eh? That girl, I tell her to come to church.
You clean
You know, you never pay the man. You're going to stay down.
Stay down where? Where do you think you're going?
Inside.
You're not coming in here.
Oh, you mean you're not coming inside? Bear.
Yo, a biscuit on my hand from when and I know it can't reach my mouth. Me can't stop laugh. Trevor, a peeping Tom. Pastor a preach and a peep. Everybody a peeping Tom. You see what Pastor do? Pastor start preach for deflect from the question. Pastor lie. Pastor say, yo, he so answer where he coming from. He just can't find the key. What a wicked act, man. Me bet any money say Pastor and a girl in her things. And me bet any money she living there rent free. Anyways, the next piece of video, yeah? Bad boy Trevor, you gonna see who bad.
You see when me come back, make sure say the house clean, the plate wash, the hog pen clean, and me dinner cook. What me say?
Yes, I must make sure when you come back the plate wash and the hog pen clean. Don't
repeat what me say, idiot. Just do it.
Yes. Yes.
One.
Yo, Diggle, what me say man a? Man a bad man.
Wicked man.
Wicked man. Hey, rude boy. And me run my yard, you know.
You mean?
My girl can't run me in my yard, man. You're mad. You're a house mouse.
Me a bad man.
You're mad. Yeah, how you mean?
You see all that chopper me get us, sir?
Yeah.
And my woman boss made, you know.
See.
Man a wicked.
Man a bad man. You know? I tell you, say my yard, man. Me have to run my yard. They say my brother, yeah, but my brother come tell me things every day. Say, oh, him box down him woman when she go like she want this. Him just curl that and just box that down. When me say, man a bad man.
Wicked man. Wicked.
You don't know.
You mean?
Yo, see the man here. See the man here.
Yeah.
Man say, see the boss sign on my head, I'm a woman give me, you know. Man a bad man. Listen, abuse from either side, woman going to man, man going to woman is wrong. Avoid it. But anyways, it's a comedy and we just a laugh about it. We're not laughing at the victims, we just a laugh about the comedy, because no fun to just take everything goddamn literal. Anyways, on to the next piece.
Man, yo, yeah, but Janor, respect. So I want you.
Boy, I know the one Mildred again.
You have to beat her up again.
You, I never beat her up again.
Man a bad man.
Nigga, you don't know what took place a while ago, man.
Man a
Hey, Villa.
Yo.
Me say, why time? Look at me eye.
Man a bad man.
Hey, you see me go some hole and lick and I got so.
Yeah.
And her hand come up and lick me eye, you know. And she a run off.
Yeah.
And me go some jab back and just come so boop and lick her mouth, you know. But me just wait and start get pay lick, you know. You say,
Man a bad man.
Hear me, digger.
Yeah.
You know if you run on your yard. You must run your yard.
True,
When me say Villa.
Man a... Yeah, but Mildred a come.
Who?
Yeah, but no. No liquor, yeah, but.
Hold on, Villa, let me go.
No, me not gonna let you come. You might
Let me go in,
You're gonna
man.
thump her and me again. No, man, but you're gonna hurt her, man.
Yeah, you don't know me
Go
talk about
on.
no man. Me say let me go, no man. But me
Yeah,
talk
but
about
no liquor again, man.
let me go.
You will...
Hello.
Yes.
You must be dreaming. How girl fi have bad man, I do house cleaning. Movado. What next Movado say? Say the back gangster and then girl around them head. Then them went fi touch the street and went fi go to them bed. Yeah, but from the end you know it's a female woman around female. You know it's a female woman beat him with a chimney. And chimney they call it, or chimney. Whichever one, the piss pot. Man a bad man. Anyways, the next piece of video them, I just Trevor being Trevor. Remember I said Trevor a freak, you know. Trevor what us Jamaican call bowcat. And the man say my superest duperest freak in Jamaica. Let's see what I'm going to say.
Jada Kingdom makes the tongue in bad boy Trevor's head jump.
Listen me. I'm alright eating my Maria. Bad boy Trevor want name Jada Kingdom. Hey, if you ever catch Jada Kingdom, you see how she thick. She gets slim when it's done. Anyways, the next piece of video I want to interview with Bad Boy Trevor talk about his song with Spice and Vibes Cartel sing about him. Or mention him in it. Let's hear what them have to say.
Me and my name in a kill in a cartel song too.
What am I saying?
Spice say, if I know him say, Spice say, I know you're the bad boy Trevor though. And cartel say, boy, him always high. You'll never know.
So, bad boy, my question now. So, bad boy Trevor using in that term was to do with some sexual act.
Yeah, but it's me king of freaks, so me
you're good with it.
me born with it. I mean,
So, the song could suggest that he would not know if he is as freaky as you because he would have been high.
in a fantasy, listen to the lyrics of the song. I'm listening all the while and you can't chip between it, but you can go away with an impression, and cartel is like that. You can go with the impression and think by way because it's controversial. So if you say when Spice say I hope you're near the bad boy Trevor though, the line said I'm always high, you will never know.
Jesus.
Me always high, so you'll never know. I didn't know that's the line. High from weed, high from crack, high from alcohol. So if cartel go down upon a girl, you'll never know, or he'll never know because he always high. But I thought the song said, me always high, me never low. Meaning, bow down low, go down upon a woman. Meaning if you can read the lyrics there. Anyways, for those who did not know or not know what the reference for Maria and Shirley, me eating Maria and Shirley biscuit, brother, I say brother. Bad boy, if you done, you know, I just me attack. Bad boy Trevor, he was caught on video performing oral sex on a woman. I know so that's kind of taboo in Jamaica. Especially back then. More now it's more acceptable. Like most of them look young youths, especially young youth, them a do it. Back in the days when I was a kid, I remember I just see old man them who used to drink rum a bar. When they drunk, they would do it to the bartenders. Yeah. Them used to even pay the bartenders to do it. Me witness it as a kid. Enough things me see as a look youth, you know, jaja. But now young boy them they not perform and drink too much alcohol, so they not have them manhood. You see me I say? So I fear use them. You see me I say? But anyways, now turn this in a sexual educational video. Or talking about what man them a do from when they now do, because me don't know what man them a do. But if you like the video for me, subscribe, click the notification bell. And if you know the song, comment in the lyrics, the Vibes Cartel and Spice. Always high, so me never know. Me always